video for you guys today, showing you guys my progress and giving you guys my top 2 tips that I use to grow my legs, to grow my butt, to be slim thick. So I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned and let me know what you guys think, if you've tried these 2 tips, if you had any success using them. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye. So this is my first day at the gym when I first started. These pictures are around 2015 when I first started working out. I was roughly about 110 pounds. I could never get past 110 pounds. So when I first started working out, I was like, I want to get a booty, I want to gain weight, but I just didn't know exactly where to start. So I was doing squats and stuff, but I guess I wasn't doing enough weight because I wasn't seeing like a huge amount of progress. So that's when I started lifting heavier weights. So around 2016 is when I really started seeing major changes with my butt, and you know your butt and your body is changing when people start commenting on it. So I started getting a lot of people saying like, oh my god, Mitch, your butt is getting so big. And I used to be like, really? They used to be like, yeah, like, girl, what is you doing? I'm just like, oh, well, like, I'm just in the gym, like, working out, like, I'm just trying to get thick. And a lot of people don't really understand it. They'll be like, if you're trying to get thick, like, why are you in the gym? But that's for them to go and figure out, and for you to not even have to explain, honey, okay? So you definitely want to make sure that you are eating in surplus. So if one of your goals is to gain weight, you definitely have to eat more than the recommended amount of daily calories. So for women, you have to maintain your weight, you have to eat between 1,800 and 2,000 calories. But to eat in surplus, which means to eat more than that, you have to be eating like 2,300 to 2,500 calories a day. I definitely started gaining a lot of weight. I definitely started seeing my butt grow, my thighs grow, and my stomach was getting smaller. So this is everything that I wanted with my fitness and with my body, and I was super proud. And I hope you guys use these tips because these definitely work. Lifting heavy and eating in surplus will definitely have you gaining weight, have you being slim thick. So I am currently 132 pounds. I have upped my goal to be 140, but I'm not in a rush or anything. I kind of go by strength now, so like how much I'm lifting, I go by that versus how much I weigh, because I hit my goal weight, which was 130 when I first started working out. That was my goal, So now that I'm there, my goals have changed. Of course, I'm still going to want to grow my butt and, be thick or whatever, but I'm not too focused on the weight anymore. Now that I've got it, my goals are different now. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and let me know what you guys think. Leave me comments, giving me ideas, and I hope these tips work for you guys. So I'll talk to you guys soon.